I'm Dr. Siegmund from Chiropractic, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of the most overlooked things when it comes to somebody's golf game, which is the warm-up. Far too often you find people that really just come either from the office or they wake up right out of bed, all of a sudden they head to the golf course, hit a couple balls on the range, and they think they're good to go. Well, you're not. Really nothing's firing yet. Your nervous system isn't firing, the muscles in your body really kind of don't know what's going on because you're trying to do this really vicious movement such as the golf swing in a short amount of time. So the most overlooked thing that we want to make sure that we do is a warm-up before we decide to go hit some golf balls. And there's two simple things that you can do whenever you're going for this warm-up that are basic. You don't need anything like a band, weights, nothing. It's just you, your body, and then that's it. That's all you need. So the first thing that I have people try to make sure that they do before they get ready is called a single leg stance. Very basic. You just want to stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. And the first thing you want to do is you want to get up on one leg, preferably just left or right, whichever one you'd rather start with, and just raise it up just a few inches. And what you want to do is, if you need to, you can have your hands kind of teeter-tottering to kind of keep yourself having some balance. But what this is doing is it's up-regulating your nervous system, getting ready to fire all these muscles and everything that you're using in order to do the golf swing. So really that nervous system, which is your brain and your spinal cord that connected to all these nerves, are going to be ready to go whenever you're going out onto the golf course. So what you want to do is you want to stand just for about 30 seconds on one foot. As I'm standing, even the feet, the muscles inside of my feet are firing at the same time. The ones in my ankle, my knees, all the way up to my pelvis, and you want to stay as steady as you can. Hold this for about 30 seconds, and then let down. And then you want to transition to the other side. Hold it for about 30 seconds, same thing, and then let go. If you have more time, I prefer that you try to also do it with your eyes closed. This will help upregulate the nervous system even more because you have to use more of the intrinsic muscles, or the smaller muscles inside of your feet, your knees, and around your knees and your pelvis to make sure that you are as stable as you can be. And just do it just with your eyes closed. Same thing, try and do 30 seconds, switch, and then do the other side. And now you're ready to go. Now the next thing that we want to make sure that we try to do is what's called torso rotation. Now, far too often you have these people that work at their jobs for 8, 9, 10 hours a day, and they lose a lot of the mobility not only into their lower back but their upper back as well, because they're always hunched over working on a keyboard. So it's a really basic exercise that you can do just to make sure that we get everything inside of your upper body, into your mid back and your shoulders, everything, all those muscles in and around there firing again. So what you want to do is take your normal golfer stance. You want to take both of your shoulders, both of your hands, place them on your shoulders, and then you just want to make sure that you keep your lower half as stable as it can be. Place both hands on your shoulders, and what you're going to do is just look down just a little bit, just like you're approaching the golf ball, and you just want to make small rotations back and forth. Try and keep your lower body as stable as it can be. You don't want to make sure you're not moving your hips too much because then it becomes a stability problem in your lower back and your pelvis, and that can irritate your back when you're out on the golf course. So address it, make small rotations, and then over time you want to go a little bit faster, try and keep your lower body as stable as it can be. If you feel it kind of shifting, go ahead and stop, reset yourself, wait a few seconds, go back down again, and then do the rotation. Faster and faster and faster until you feel comfortable, and then relax. There's so many golfers that are out there that don't do this test, but it's pivotal to make sure they get that proper shoulder rotation. Just because those muscles inside of the upper chest and the upper back, they get very, very tight the more these people throughout the week have to sit at their computers for long lengths of time. These are two basic exercises that you can do to help up-regulate that nervous system, get everything firing, getting all the muscles working properly. That way you can be ready to go out there and hit those golf balls on the range before you head out to the course.